Hey, Eric here. Just a quick update on where I'm at with the GEET reactor generator that I'm building. Over here I have most of the reactor assembled. I have my exhaust tube coming out into here, and then it will exit here into the bubbler. I have the intake tube coming in here inside the exhaust tube, comes through out to here, an auxiliary or an extra air valve in here just to let in a bit of air to the intake, and then into the intake. So here's the reactor rod. It's finished. Pointed on one end, that's the south pole. A bit of a curve on the other end. I'm not really sure what that concave curve does, but it's on all the drawings that I've seen, so I did it. This is just a piece of I believe cold rolled 3/4 inch steel tube, or bar rather. Here you can see the poles. I don't know if you can read this or not. So the North Pole arrow is pointing at the pointed end, so that means that the pointed end is the South Pole, because opposites attract, obviously. And then if we come down this way, you can see, well, not very well, but that is the South Pole, if my camera would focus. I don't know if you can see it or not, but you can see the bar is magnetized correctly, I think. One problem I do have, however, while I was welding this thing, the welder messed up the orientation. So I've got a North Pole on this end, which should be the South Pole, and the South Pole is on this end, so I've got it backwards. The welder was changed the direction of the magnetic field. So I have one trick up my sleeve that I'm going to try, and hopefully it'll work to reverse that. I'm going to just coil a wire around the entire thing and run some current through it. If the current's in the right direction, going in the right direction, it should change the poles around. So that'll be probably my next video, I think. So stay tuned.